about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that uh, on your Shadowfy 2 app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Shadowfy 2 app, or just click on search. Then here add Shadowfy 2 app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search here for Shadowfy 2 app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.